Listen carefully. If your credit score is between 500 and 600 right now, you are not just facing a number problem, you are actually losing opportunities every single day. You might not realize it, but a low credit score silently blocks your chances of getting a house, a car, or even a simple credit card with good benefits. And the worst part? Most people don't even understand why it's happening. Now imagine this. Two people walk into a bank, both earn the same salary. Both apply for a loan. One gets approved instantly with low interest, the other gets rejected, or gets a loan with very high interest. Do you know what makes the difference? Not luck, not connections. Just one thing, credit score. Today, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide to improve your credit score in the USA. And I promise you this, by the end of this video, you will not only understand how credit score works, but you'll also know exactly what actions to take starting today. Now let's start from the very basics, because if your foundation is strong, everything else becomes easy. A credit score is basically a number that shows how trustworthy you are with money. In the USA, this number usually ranges from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the more trust banks have in you. But here's the truth most people don't talk about. Your score is not fixed, it's dynamic. It changes based on your behavior. Let me give you a simple example so even a child can understand. Think of your credit score like a school report card. Every time you pay your bills on time, it's like getting good marks. Every time you miss a payment, it's like failing a subject. Over time, your report card builds your reputation. Same thing happens with your credit score. Now here comes the most important part, the step-by-step improvement strategy. Step 1, always pay your bills on time. This might sound simple, but it's the most powerful factor. Payment history alone makes up a huge portion of your credit score. Even one missed payment can drop your score significantly. Imagine this situation. You borrowed money from a friend and promised to return it in 10 days, but you delayed it again and again. What happens? That friend stops trusting you. Same logic applies here. Banks see you the same way, so from today, make a rule. No late payments, set reminders, use autopay if possible. Even if you pay the minimum amount, just don't miss the due date. Step 2, control your credit utilization. This is where most people make a big mistake. Let's say your credit card limit is $1,000. If you are using $900 every month, even if you pay it on time, your score can still go down. Why? Because it shows you are heavily dependent on credit. The ideal rule is never use more than 30% of your limit. So in this case, try to keep your usage under $300. This signals to banks that you are financially disciplined. Think about it like this. If someone is always asking for money, even if they return it, you start feeling they are struggling. That's exactly how banks see high utilization. Step 3. Don't close your old accounts. This is a hidden mistake many beginners make. People think, I don't use this old card, let me close it. But in reality, old accounts increase your credit history length, which is a good thing. Let's understand with an example. Two people apply for a loan. One has 5 years of credit history, another has just 6 months. Who looks more reliable? Obviously the one with longer history, so even if you don't use an old card much, keep it active with small transactions. Step 4, avoid too many hard inquiries. Every time you apply for a loan or credit card, the bank checks your credit report. This is called a hard inquiry. Too many inquiries in a short time can make you look desperate for credit. Imagine someone going to 10 different people asking for money in one day. What will others think? That person is in trouble. Same psychology works here, so only apply when necessary. Don't apply randomly just to try your luck. Step 5, use a secured credit card if needed. If your score is very low or you are just starting, a secured credit card can be your best friend. In this, you deposit money first, and that becomes your limit. It's like training wheels on a bicycle. You build discipline first, then move to bigger things. Use it smartly, pay on time, keep utilization low, and slowly your score will start improving. Now let me give you a real-life scenario so you fully understand the process. Let's say someone named Alex has a credit score of 550. He follows these steps strictly for 3 months. He pays all bills on time. He keeps his credit usage below 30%. He stops applying for unnecessary cards. He keeps his old account active. What happens? His score can easily move to 620 to 650 range, and once you cross that level, doors start opening, better cards, lower interest, more opportunities. Now here's the emotional truth that most people ignore. A low credit score is not just a financial problem, it becomes a mental burden. You start feeling stuck. You start avoiding opportunities because you think you'll get rejected anyway. But the moment your score improves, your confidence changes. You feel in control again. And that's why this is not just about money, it's about your future. Now let's talk about one mistake that destroys everything: ignoring your credit report. Many people don't even check their credit report for months or years. Sometimes there are errors, sometimes there are unknown charges, and these small issues slowly damage your score. Make it a habit. Check your report regularly, fix errors immediately, dispute wrong entries, because even a small mistake can cost you big opportunities. Now I want you to imagine something. 6 months from now, two versions of you exist. One version ignores everything, keeps making the same mistakes, and stays stuck at the same score. The other version follows these steps, builds discipline, and improves the score by 100 plus points. Which version do you want to be? Because the difference starts today. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Before ending this video, let me quickly repeat the golden rules. Pay on time, keep usage low, don't close old accounts, avoid unnecessary applications, use secured cards smartly. These are not tricks, these are proven systems. If you follow them consistently, improvement is not a question of if, it's a question of when. And remember this, your credit score does not define your future, your actions do. So start today, take control, and build the financial life